I found a new way to make money on YouTube without subscribers, guys. And anyone can do this from any country, even if you don't have a laptop. All you need is your mobile phone and internet connection. This is beginner friendly, and all you need is to spend 1 hour every day, and you're gonna start making money from the first day of uploading. Sounds like a joke.
Yes, it does. Sounds like a joke. In fact, there are huge chances this video might get flagged. In fact, my channel might get flagged just for showing this video. And it actually happened. So we are going to take a different approach for this video. But before that, let me show you some funny money.
These are the funniest celebrity impressions done in front of the actual person. Starting with The Rock's hilarious take on Kevin Hart.
I'm Kevin Hart, right in high school. Okay, yeah. Hey, everybody, hey, girl.
Did you notice what's going on here? These clips were recorded by other people. And this video is basically a compilation of a voiceover plus others clips. Okay, Mosh, I hate videos and I want to see money. Because I am here to see money. Where is money, Mosh? Money is here, Habibi. According to Social Blade, this channel makes somewhere between $1,400 to $22,000 per month. Not bad at all. And if you go video by video, then their videos get somewhere between $41 to $1,000 per video. Not bad at all. This is just from ads revenue. Okay, now you saw money. But honestly, I'm not so excited about this money. Because listen, I have shared this in my other videos that it takes a lot of views to make money from views. For example, YouTube pays 3 cents to 7 cents for each 1,000 views. So you basically earn $30 to $70 per million views. And there are 5 steps just to get started. And that's not all. The requirements just to get approved for YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. Facebook has similar requirements and TikTok has even weirder and crazier requirements. On top of that, these are the limitations. So the summary is it takes a lot of views to make a lot of money from views. It definitely is easy because you just make videos and upload them, and definitely passive because you're not actively doing anything after uploading the videos, but it's not fast. And that is why people look for fast money. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. Let's watch a couple more seconds from this video.
Right? You know what? Just relax. Because I'm gonna show you how I made over $3,000 on YouTube without subscribers.
Okay, again, 23 seconds out and red flags after red flags. So before I talk about the red flags, let's go to ChatGPT and open my rant trailer, custom GPT. Click start. At once, the transcript of the video. Got it, Control C, put here Control V, and I want to put the video link as reference as well. While AI doing its work, let's go back and listen to this podcast. It will tell you YouTube's views about these kind of videos.
Or if they're saying it's maybe a make money opportunity and it could be viewed as a scam. Can you clarify?
I think if there's language in there that just sounds too good to be true, like, oh yeah, you can make $50 an hour at home. You know, you don't need any experience. You don't need any education. Like YouTube has, you know, their content ID system, and they will put in certain code or certain keywords that they will flag that they will deem that to be a scam, even if it's not, right? I think it's very different when you're selling a product. Like if you're a creator and you're selling,
This video is about this mistake can delete your YouTube channel. Never do this. I was watching this podcast yesterday. It's packed with value. In fact, my own channel got affected recently. So instead of watching this video and basically allow YouTube to red flag my channel, we're going to use AI to understand what it is. Unfortunately, ChatGPT completely disappointed me with this one. 19 minutes long video. This is all the summary that ChatGPT provided. Not enough. So I went to Notebook LM. To be honest, Notebook LM went beyond expectations. Caution when you use Notebook LM. Notebook LM does not save your work until you click this Save to Note. For example, I worked with the Notebook LM app on my mobile phone on the same video, but when I logged into my account on my computer, I do not see my work. And here you go. Notebook LM says that as well. Saved responses are view only. Now the way this method works is that first you create a Discord server, then you join a certain affiliate network. Then you need a viral video idea. Use this complete prompt, put it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will write a conversation type video script for you. You have to put that script in an application called VSub, and with back and forth steps. It's a little bit complicated, but interesting. And finally, you make videos like this.
You know, if I wasn't such a gentleman, I'd totally ruin our friendship right now.
Oh, how so?
By telling you how insanely attractive you are, but I'd never cross that line. I respect you too much.
So you're saying you want to cross it?
Rizap respond with, it's already crossed in my mind every single day.
It's already crossed in my mind every single day.
Damn, that's bold. So what exactly are you imagining?
Oh, just holding hands?
You got the point. Now, to be honest, this video is completely useless. It's not adding any value to anyone. Nobody's getting any benefit from watching this video. And then you have to upload the video through the app to your YouTube account. And here is the best part. You get paid per view. Again, you get paid for views, not for sales. How crazy. It's amazing. Notebook LM tells you the details. The method relies on an affiliate program where the creator earns a specific amount per view, which is 50 cents per 1,000 views. This is distinct from traditional YouTube monetization AdSense, which primarily pays based on ads viewed. The earning is tied to a specific campaign promoting RZ app. And this is RZ app. And RZ app is an AI-powered tool designed to enhance your online dating experience. For me, huge red flag. I will never go for this kind of niche, and I don't inspire anyone to go for this. But I now know how the money is made. Money is basically made through promoting this application. Are you not asking why these people pay you for views? The same reason I show this screenshot every single day in all of my videos. We paid over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions from this one Warrior Plus account alone. And all these affiliates got paid in hard cold affiliate commissions for sales, not from views. And because they didn't want to go for views, they didn't take a shortcut. They realized money is made when you sell something to someone, because the money that you are looking for is in other people's pocket, and it comes to your pocket when you sell them something. As they took this additional hassle of selling something, they are generating $2, $1, $7, $3 per visitor, not 50 cents per 1,000 views, which clearly shows that these RZ app guys are paying you 50 cents per 1,000 views because they are making a lot more money by selling their application to the users. Which means in this method, you are putting the same effort of creating content but earning much less. Absolute no. Again, at the end of the video, the creator gives you a bonus trick.
Bonus trick. You see, sometimes it takes a very long time for your video to get into the short feed. Take it or leave it. That's how it is. So what you're gonna do is to upload these same videos on multiple platforms, especially on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Then submit them just after uploading them. And make sure to link your YouTube channel to these other platforms so that those interested in your content will go to your YouTube page and watch some of your videos there. This way, you're gonna get lots of views and revenue because you'll be earning from
We understand. That's okay. It's a good advice. If you are doing it, why are you going for this mediocre income system? Earn higher commission from sales. And if it is completely new to you, you need help and you need 99% done for you program, go to this link or scan this QR code and watch this free training. This free training will show you how these real people make $500, $200 in passive affiliate commissions from selling digital products using free traffic. And of course, the program is 99% done for you. The link to the training is in the bio, in the first comment, and in the description below. Go watch this training. You will learn everything about digital marketing, how we do it, and how we help our beginner students do it. And at the end of the video, you will learn about our program in details. So you can take an educated decision whether this program is the best of the best program for you or not. And if you are asking, Mosh, what happens to these videos? They seem to get a lot of views. In fact, yes, 2.9 million views in 4 months. And I used to be a big advocate for this kind of videos, but after watching this video last night, I am not sure anymore.
One wrong move and your entire channel could be demonetized, deleted, or you could even get sued.
I had a client who got 3 strikes and he lost his channel. He doesn't even really want his channel back. He just wants his videos back because his best friend was in his videos and his best friend died. You can use 2 seconds of someone's video and they will just put a strike on you.
That is the whole point. Even these guys can do it with my videos. So is it right or wrong? No idea. The choice is yours. The only thing I can say from making over $10 million from digital marketing that I care about only one thing and one thing alone. I care about traffic. So I will not bother my accounts get deleted or suspended, get strike or whatever. I work with multiple channels, multiple pages, multiple accounts because neither I believe in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook or anyone, nor I believe in one account. I believe in number of traffic and build relationship by providing massive value to that traffic. And if you have that mindset, this training will help you the best. Aside from all the knowledge sharing we are going to do with you, the whole program is 99% done for you. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.